How we doing here? Colin at Shine Automotive. Crap times were coming through. We haven't been doing a lot because we're shut, and I'm locked down in the garage, stopping in the camper because I don't want the place getting robbed like we did just before Christmas. So self-isolating in the garage, checking it out. Just gone through some footage and found a motorbike of a Honda CBR600 that we did a few years back. So I thought I'd bang a slideshow together for you to enjoy this Wednesday evening. So yeah, check it out. And we've got a new intro, so if you want to check that one out now, that's what we're going to do. So check the intro out.